Southern Railway has had remarkable achievements in numerous fields during the current year. As we all know, water is a precious resource. Coach maintenance depots of Basin Bridge and Gopalswamy Nagar have commissioned water recycling plants, saving 160 million litres of water and 96 lakh rupees annually, which were previously spent on procurement of metro water. The vibrant marketing team of Southern Railway canvassed pet coke loading from Panambur port siding. Each rake loaded to Wadi will earn 62 lakh rupees while keeping away movement of 175 long-distance lorries, reducing carbon footprint for the nation. 59 cross-sectoral suburban services were introduced to provide seamless connectivity to commuters of Chennai metropolis, saving travel time by 20 minutes for passengers. Being a passenger-oriented railway, Southern Railway recorded great success through teamwork in running 422 special trains during this year. Occupancy of 85% in Suvidha trains and 90% in special fare trains clearly indicates the success in meeting demands of targeted groups. Southern Railway has developed Cochin Refinery siding with the able support of Integrated Refinery Expansion Project by converting the siding with loading facilities for petroleum products. This will increase traffic from the current level of 70 rakes to 120 rakes per month. Reiterating the commitment to scheduled completion of projects, 100 kilometers of doubling works have been completed in the current financial year, bettering operational efficiency. Vigilant coordinating efforts of Railway Protection Force personnel enabled rescue of 348 lost and runaway children to reach their parents or helpline centers. Operation Smile shines on. Southern Railway marches ahead, passing many milestones in service of the nation.